wondering how we got here. 2 years ago, an evil man made me eat the elephant's foot. I've been left paralyzed since, from the waist up. I can't move my arms. Sometimes I come here just to think about how much I want to kill him. If I saw him, I'd kill him. I can't move my arms. I wish I could move my arms. As I was saying, if I ever see him, I'm gonna personally rough. Yeah, I'm gonna rough him up. The rest of the company is vital that they think I'm a crip, okay? If I'm a cripple, then they'll buy the product. It's simple as that. What do you mean the stock is dropping? Okay, I'm putting on an act over here. This is a production. I have a whole camera crew here. And I can't move. I'm really poor. Man, do I want revenge. And also, buy my products. My legs. Look over there! Moving on! Look at the lake. Look at how beautiful she is. Got him.
Over here, we have another mushroom. This one's called the doom shroom.
Why? Why'd they replace my babies? My reason to live, the doom shroom? Why? Why? Why?
We have a mushroom. Be quiet, you might wake it.
Alright, okay.
Ah!
I would say be quiet, but he's dead. It's too late for him. It's time to move on.
Go.
Holy crap! Would you look at this? Look at this! It's a botanical legend. The elephant's foot. The elephant's foot is the most poisonous thing ever. They say here, if you ever hold one, you'll die within 30 minutes.
Eat it.
Here it is. Plant that ruined my life. The infamous. Get away from me, goddammit! Look what it did to me. I can't move my arms. The infamous elephant's foot. It paralyzed me. And the man who did it, God, I wish he would just pop up so I could beat him up.
Eat it.
Oh.